हाउ कैन वी डीकंजेस्ट दिल्ली's ट्रैफिक? इसको कम कैसे किया जाए? कोई जुगाड़ बताओ।
कंजेस्ट लड़कियों का ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस जब्त कर लो और क्या।
मित्रों, दिल्ली के ट्रैफिक के बारे में पूरा विश्व जानता है। इसको कम कैसे किया जाए, हमने दिल्ली के कुछ अपने मित्रों से पूछा। उनकी राय जानने के लिए वीडियो को आगे देखिए।
Obviously, you can decongest traffic by like carpooling and by going into public vehicles.
I think by improving the public transport services in our country, because if you look at places like New York and other developed places in the world, their standard of public transport is at such a high level that
more public transit and more people biking and, you know, kind of getting off the grid in terms of like using oil and using cars.
Well, people have to follow the traffic rules and like Audi. I think that worked really well, and it should continue for like permanently.
The odd even thing, it cut the traffic in half, you know. Like, but also like people buy more cars as well. But at the same time, on the road at least one time they are half the cars. So I really.
फॉरेन कंट्रीज में भी ऐसा होता है, फ्लाईओवर ऊपर फ्लाईओवर ऊपर फ्लाईओवर, इस तरह से इसको गवर्नमेंट करना पड़ेगा। उसके लिए काफी कॉस्टली होता है वो।
We can use carpooling for that. Okay, and eco-friendly.
It is eco-friendly.
We can save our time and money at the same time.
and there's Diwali coming up, and the pollution level is
Really high.
really high in Delhi.
I think carpooling is very safe because I do that almost every day, and I have my college and like I have to go and meet friends, and I obviously do that. That like I'm an outstation person, so it's like saving money.
We can go by plane.
Go by plane?
Huh?
If you have to go from here to, I mean, like 10 kilometers away, you will go by plane?
You're right. It's not good. Not that good. So maybe we can do a carpool, you know.
Carpool?
Yeah.
Do you like the concept of bike pooling?
Yeah, I know. I'm a fan of bikes. I do like them actually.
If you are carpooling, what type of a pooler would you prefer? If there's this application and there are, I mean, like 50 people who have already registered to that application, what type of a pooler with similar interests?
I think, more than similar interests. I think if the person is in the same job, not in the same company, probably in, like I'm an IT guy. So if somebody is in IT, and probably I would feel more comfortable sharing the cab.
I would mostly hunt for hot guys.
Hunt
out
for?
there. Yeah.
तू चलेगा मेरे साथ?
I'll do that because obviously that's what a girl needs.
Somebody who's friendly, who I can actually talk to, because actually I love meeting new people.
Someone who knows to cook food.
So you'll cook food while you're driving?
No, but basically we share the recipe.
दलवीर सर, आप कारपूलिंग करेंगे सर?
तू साले बेइज्जती कराएगा, हम कारपूलिंग करेंगे।
बात कर रहा है यार, हम कारपूल करेंगे।
सर
साले 4 गाड़ी तो पीछे खाली चढ़े हमारे।
साले 4 आगे चले 4 पीछे, हम कारपूलिंग करें अपनी गाड़ी अंशु।
सर मेरे हाथ कांप रहे हैं। अच्छा, आप एक काम कर लीजिए, मतलब अपनी 4 गाड़ी जो आगे पीछे रहती है उसमें किसी को बिठा लेंगे?
क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए साले हमारी गाड़ी पे चढ़ने के लिए, ठीक है?
कम से कम 8वीं फेल।
फेल, ठीक है सर।
ओके, बंद कर कैमरा।
Sorry sir. Are women better drivers than men?
Definitely. We can multitask.
Then how are you a better driver? गाड़ी चलाते चलाते फोन रहा धाम?
नहीं, we can like एक साथ स्टीयरिंग भी चला सकते हैं, गियर भी बदल सकते हैं, और हाँ फोन पे भी बात कर सकते हैं, और बहुत अच्छे एडवाइसेस भी दे सकते हैं, और गालियाँ भी दे सकते हैं गाड़ी चलाते रहते एकदम आराम से, और कोई वो नहीं होगा कि मल्टीटास्किंग चल रही है, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं, नो स्ट्रेस।
No,
Why?
because they are emotional, you know. Emotions comes and logic fucks up. That's why.
मैं बहुत सेफ चलाती हूँ, और अगर फास्ट भी चला रही हूँ तो मुझे पता है कि कैसे टर्न एंड ऑल लेने।
सबसे ज्यादा आज तक कितने स्पीड पे भगाया आपने?
140 समथिंग जीटी रोड पे।
आपके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है?
नहीं
है?
आई एम ओनली 17।
Got some serious balls, man.
I don't want to generalize. I think that all humans, some humans have better skills with driving and others don't.
The worst drivers until you've gotten insurance done. किसी ऐसी गाड़ी के सामने मत आना जहाँ पर जो लड़की चला रही हो।
I am a driver myself, and I believe that guys are more dumb in driving. मतलब जो लड़कियां नया चलाना सीखती हैं वो बेटर चलाती हैं थोड़ा डम होके भी जितना लड़के होते हैं।
I don't think a gender defines who is a better driver. It's basically on their instincts and where they learn from, I think, and the practice.
I have some simple photos over here, some signs. I want you to tell me what these signs indicate.
Okay.
What is this?
this is run as fast as you can across the street because otherwise a car will kill you.
Kill you. Okay. This is the funniest answer
Okay.
I've come across.
Okay. Is it? Yeah, stop.
It means don't run.
Don't run.
It means you can run actually. There's no
Okay.
cross. You can run.
Okay, you can run.
Yeah.
Okay, run on the road. Yes. You?
This one, this is like zebra crossing. No,
Zebra
you,
crossing.
no. You can actually run.
आपका लाइसेंस है ना?
हाँ.
जा सकते हो आप.
आप
Green
जा सकते
light.
हो.
हाँ.
ये ग्रीन लाइट जा सकते हो.
हाँ शायद.
ठीक है डन.
स्कूल.
स्कूल.
उनका साइन है. हाँ.
सीखो कुछ.
तुझे पता है?
ये बैग लेके भाग रहा बेचारा बच्चा. इसे कह रहे हो जा सकते हो, इसके ऊपर चढ़ा दो गाड़ी, मतलब डेथ हो जाएगी आपकी.
Don't go.
Don't go.
Don't go forward or backward.
Don't
I
go.
mean,
forward.
don't go anywhere.
Okay, wait.
This means don't take a. You can go straight, but you don't take a U-turn.
Okay, you go straight, but you don't take a U-turn. Stay stationary.
This is one-way road.
One way road. कुछ सीखो. What is this?
No U-turn.
No U-turn.
You can't go in this lane.
You can't go in this lane, but you can
One
go in other
way.
lanes. You can drive on the footpath.
If someone is going straight, then you should not cross them and go left.
Okay. But if somebody is going straight, but you can cross them and take right.
You cannot cross them and take left.
No U-turn. No.
What is this?
No overtake.
Ah, right answer. Download e-Poolers.
मैं कहता हूँ आप लोगों से, कार पूलिंग से ही ट्रैफिक कम होगा. कार पूलिंग के लिए ई पूलर्स डाउनलोड करो. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है, क्लिक करो, ऐप डाउनलोड करो. मैं भी कार पूलिंग करता हूँ. और ये वीडियो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब हिट कर देना.